Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah. This is another Whatnot box. Came from the Hems Flipper. Hopefully I said that name correctly. I did order from them before. I'll be right back to open this up. Alright, Jelly Beans, I am back. I just want to use these keys right here to open this package up.
My grandmother lived in the Sacramento housing project.
I'm watching a documentary, 20 years of Hurricane Katrina.
For the housing project structures, like that was a safe place.
Alright, here we go.
You never experienced any type of danger in those structures.
There we go.
And I think it kind of adopted that attitude of just sticking it out and surviving, which is why it wasn't really impressive on us, the dangers associated. They had to stay.
Oh yeah. Can't wait to see what I got because I forget what I ordered. Alright. 1, 2. Ooh, awesome. Alright, cool beans. Alright, let's go with this one first. I don't know what this is. Alright. See Katrina in the background. Sure, a lot of people will be happy about that. Ooh, oh yeah, I remember what this says. Sweet. There's an old cab. That's pretty sick. I like that. I like that. It's pretty sick. Alright, so the beans. Move to the next package.
This is all done systematically because
I like that.
you can't sell everything all at once.
It's a really cool car. I like that cab.
Parish by parish.
Alright, here's the Johnny Lightning. I think this was the first vehicle I seen before I clicked into the show. Here's the AMC American Taxi. Green light, hobby exclusive, Hobby Lobby exclusive, Hobby Lobby exclusive. Little container damage, but it's okay. It was listed in the listing, so it's pretty good. That's pretty cool. I like that a lot. Green light again. Very nice car. Thank you very much. Alright, here we go. Let's see what we got here. A Dick Tracy car from ERTL.
To my understanding, back then, the leaders of the city decided that either you flood these houses or you flood your central business district.
I think that's my first ERTL car.
So that the night war
pretty cool. Thank you. Alright, let's get to our kilo. Alright, here we go. Okay, let's see what we got here. Turtle Wax. A Plymouth Roadrunner.
had to buy a house in between the cement company and the railroad track. But our parents moved down there to small, and they were selling that to black people. But they built that land up.
There is a Ford Torino,
They were proud of their homes.
1970 Ford Torino.
Before Katrina, we lived in my mother's house in Lower Ninth Ward. My kids grew up there, I grew up there. We had a thriving community that was 99%
And last
black.
but not least is
We had
a
mom and pop
1970
businesses all around.
Nissan Fairlady.
Everybody owned their home. And
I
yes,
probably have one of
we had
these
water
somewhere
to the right,
downstairs.
water to the left, the river behind
I
it.
love
But
the
it wasn't anything that
the Nissan and Daltons. They're pretty cool. I like them a lot.
United States Army Corps
Oh yeah, I like that.
upgrade
That was the last car.
to stop the storm.
Thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. And remember to check out the links down below. Mine and the Gem Hem Flipper. Alright, have a great day. Peace.
The latest information.